Samsung Galaxy A32 5G. Best Samsung phone $285.03. An incredible value. 5G has become more prevalent recently, so it's no surprise to see 5G support appearing in less expensive phones. Samsung's mid-range models now include 5G, and the cheapest of the lot, the Galaxy A32 5G, lets you enjoy faster networking speeds for $280. That's a major bargain, even with some serious shortcomings. As you'd expect for $280, there's nothing high-end about the Galaxy A32. The 720p display isn't good, the performance is mediocre at the best of times, and it's a rather large device that might be hard to manage for some people. However, the Galaxy A32 5G packs incredibly impressive battery numbers, a 90Hz refresh rate on the TFT LCD panel, and Samsung's promise of 3 years of platform updates and 4 years of security patches. US shoppers will see similarities between the Galaxy A32 and the OnePlus Nord N200 5G, which I called the best cheap 5G phone when I reviewed it a month ago. At $40 less than the A32, the Nord N200 does a lot of things right, sporting a notably better display and similar performance. However, Samsung wins out in the camera department, as you'll see below. And with much longer support, the A32 is a safer bet long-term, making it one of the best cheap phones you can buy. Samsung Galaxy A32 5G Review, Price and Availability. The Galaxy A32 5G has the benefit of being available basically anywhere. It has the full weight of Samsung behind it, and you can buy it through a variety of wireless carriers, as well as Samsung itself and Best Buy. It'll run you $279.99 outright for 64 GB of storage and 4 GB of RAM, though you can probably find a good deal around with a trade-in and/or same-day activation. Samsung Galaxy A32 5G Review, Design. At first glance, the Galaxy A32 5G looks very nice. The 3 vertical camera lenses, coupled with the macro camera and flash, make for a subtle camera module on the back of the phone. With a glossy plastic body, the A32 really attracts fingerprints, which requires frequent cleaning to keep it looking sharp. Samsung Galaxy A32 5G Review, Display. We don't see a lot of phones with TFT LCDs anymore, but Samsung went with this option to keep the Galaxy A32 5G's cost down. It's definitely a far cry from the company's Super AMOLED panels, and at 720p, the screen sharpness won't knock your socks off. It's a middling 6.5-inch display that struggles with crushed blacks, SOSO brightness, and washed-out colors. Samsung Galaxy A32 5G Review, Cameras. The Galaxy A32 5G employs 4 cameras, the 48MP main camera, an 8MP ultrawide shooter, a 5MP macro lens, and a 2MP depth sensor. As you might expect, only the main and ultrawide cameras are worthwhile, the latter two don't seem to add anything. Samsung Galaxy A32 5G Review, Video. The Galaxy A32 5G can record video up to 4K at 30 frames per second. That's a lot of pixels for a phone under $300, though I'd wager most people will want to go with 1080p at 60 frames per second for a smoother video. Samsung Galaxy A32 5G Review, Performance. MediaTek-powered phones aren't that common in the US, so seeing one from Samsung of all places was a bit of a shock. The Galaxy A32 5G uses the Dimensity 720 system-on-chip paired with 4 GB of RAM. It's not a powerhouse, but this chip lines up well with some of Qualcomm's lower-tier offerings like the Snapdragon 485G found in the OnePlus Nord N200 5G. In day-to-day use, the Dimensity 720 does well enough, but anything more intensive than browsing social media and checking your messages is where you'll notice slowdown. Samsung Galaxy A32 5G Review, Battery Life and Charging. One of the Galaxy A32 5G's greatest strengths is its battery life. With a 5000 mAh battery, the phone lasts an impressively long time considering its 90Hz refresh rate. I like to see phones last longer than 10 hours, which we would consider about average for smartphones nowadays. But the A32's numbers might just earn it a spot on our list of the best phone battery life. Samsung Galaxy A32 5G review, software. Another plus for the Galaxy A32 5G, the software on this phone is practically the same as you'll find on the Galaxy S21. And to go along with that, Samsung has promised 3 years of Android updates and 4 years of security patches. That destroys anything else in this product category, certainly the OnePlus Nord N200 5G with its paltry 1 year per 2 year promise. Galaxy A32 5G, specs. OS, Android 11/1 UI 3.1. Display, 6.5-inch LCD, 1600 by 720. Refresh rate, 90 Hz. CPU, MediaTek Dimensity 720. RAM, 4 GB. Storage/expandable, 64 GB/yes. Rear cameras, 48MP, f/1.8, main, 8MP, f/2.2, ultrawide, 5MP, f/2.4, macro, 2MP, f/2.34, depth. Front camera, 13MP, f/2.2. Video, up to 4K at 30 frames per second. Battery, 5000 mAh. Battery life, HRS Mins 1139, adaptive, 1222, 60 Hz. Charging, 15W. Colors, awesome black, awesome white, awesome blue, awesome violet. Size, 6.46 by 3.00 by 0.36 inches. Weight, 7.23 ounces.